Hello everyone. Today we'll see India and Iran relationship and the backdoor entry of China. As we know, China will enter between India and Iran relationship to disturb the relationship so that they can be able to have the strategic benefit over there and even economic benefit. Then what are the economic benefits that China is going to have and what will be the implications of India through this deal which has been signed by Iran and China? They have signed this deal very secretly, but the pact has been leaked, the 18-page document on the websites all over the world. Through this, we get to know about that what are the hidden agenda of China through Tehran against India. We'll discuss all in detail. So here in this map, as you can be able to see that Iran, China and India, these three countries are situated on nearby to each other. So when you are nearby to each other countries, then you have the mutual interest which coincides with each other. No, as against China, when India and China has fought on the border, then China when cannot be able to do many things on the border, then they're going for the Iran to disturb India through economic and strategic outlook. Look, first we need to understand that where is Chabahar Port? Chabahar Port is nearby Iran here, which Iran tried to give sole responsibility to China. Even the railway project which has been signed with the 2016 MOU with India, now they are neglecting it. Even Afghanistan is a party. They didn't consulted the Afghanistan for that. And through or from this place to go to the Afghanistan, the railway line project now given to the Iran solely. And how that has been done? China has given the 500 billion loan to Iran so that they can be able to build their railway itself. So we can understand why the loan has been given at this time and what is the important. And although you must know before 2 days, just before 2 days on 12th of July, that Iran has inaugurated the first railway line. At that time, loan was not given, neither any strategic importance, and the disturbance was there. But China, when get to know that railway line has inaugurated, then they must can be able to disturb some of the relation between India and Iran, and they have done this very intentionally. And now what Iran is saying that even China has signed the 25-year deal to development projects on the Chabahar port. So this is totally strategic loss for India, because if India can be able to have a Chabahar port full control over here, then you must know that Strait of Hormuz passes through this area. That means 35% of the energy of the world demand is coming from this area. This is a huge amount. So when you have this, even the LPG and the petroleum products, all of them are coming from this area. So when you have 35% of the petroleum blocked into a certain place and the country like China is guarding it, then you can be able to understand the strategic disturbance that world has to face in the coming time. So in this map you have seen this is happening. Now I'll show you the map of railway line, exact railway line, where and how it is going. Here in this map, you can be able to clearly see the line which is joining Afghanistan to this place, the Gulf of Oman, and here the Strait of Hormuz is here. So when you have a Strait of Hormuz here passing through this place and you have the Chabahar port on this place, you can be able to understand the importance. And here India, our loving country, is here. So from here to here, when you have the direct connection, then you can be able to have the huge economic benefit, because petroleum is coming directly to your place from your port itself. So you can be able to understand the economic benefit that India has by having a Chabahar port. And for that, they fought too much with the US. They have removed the sanctions against India so that India can be able to develop the Chabahar port. Now the language of Tehran, that means Iran, is disturbing India, not even the international order, even the MOUs which you have signed with the responsible way, now you are getting backward of it because one authoritarian country like China wanted you to take the back step. So this is the ultimate step taken by the Iran against the relationship with India. So the implications of that we'll discuss in detail. But here you must see the railway line. The second important thing what China has done, the railway line they wanted to have in their self. So for that, as I already told you, they have given the 500 billion of loan to China, no, sorry, to Iran, so that they can be able to build themselves. And absolutely we know who will control on that. And here the third party, Afghanistan, is here. They have not consulted before having this deal with China and Iran, because this deal is done secretly and the 18-page documents has leaked. So because of some party have done it intentionally. So we'll see in detail what will happen in the future. Now we'll see what Iran has taken major steps. When 18-page document is leaked, in that clearly it is written that the 628-kilometer, the railway link line from Chabahar to Jadin in Afghanistan, which passes through the all over the Islamic world, major countries, when you have the state of Hormuz over there, then you can be able to take the many goods, like petroleum, and the other country like India is sending some of the economic like project like food, everything. Then India don't have to cross through Pakistan. They can be able to directly go through this port, and then they can be able to reach the Afghanistan. But now, because of Iran move, now India cannot be able to do the humanitarian projects which they have done even in the COVID-19 time. As we know that India has given the food to Afghanistan and even the medicines to Iran even free of cost. So the importance of India has been neglected again by Iran by having just some benefits and the taking the loan from China. And what will be the further in the future, the consequences that Iran has to face? We know that what China has done in Sri Lanka on Hambantota port, the same thing is going to happen for the Chabahar. If China is not stopped right now, then Dragon is going to eat everything, whatever is coming in the way, because China, as you all know, is the authoritarian country. So here what happened? Icon, we know that Indian Railway Corporation for Private Limited 2016 has signed agreement with Afghanistan, India, and China that they are going to build the railway project through these two countries, that means Afghanistan and Iran. The railway line passes and that will reach to Afghanistan by Chabahar port. But by neglecting this treaty, now Iran is breaking the MOU secretly by not consulting the two of the party and having the third party intervention through wrong way. Now Iran and China clinches 25-year deal. This is most disturbing for India and the world too, because 25-year deal giving to the Chabahar port for the development, infrastructure development, for the energy needs, you are giving total autonomy to China. So that will impact very bad way to India, and not for the Iran itself. Even the nearby countries will get affected because of this deal. And Iran, what they have done when they have the US sanctions to take the revenge with US, Iran has proposed Gwadar port tie up with Pakistan and China through the Chabahar port. So if that has been done, then we can be able to understand the total state of Hormuz control taken by the Iran and China. So recently we have seen that Iran has attacked some of the oil tankers of the Saudi Arabia. So we can be able to see in the future that what the militarization of the Arabian Ocean and how that will impact in the Indian Ocean. There is a huge impact going to be between these two places, and these two places, we know that 75% of the trade, economic trade, is going on in the world. So having a peace and tranquility in this area, we must maintain that Chabahar port must be with India. Here at last, I want to show you a picture that when President Rouhani of Iran is standing in front of Chabahar port by inaugurating the railway link between Iran to Afghanistan on 12th of July 2020, when no interventions has been done by China. So this is the clearly at that time India is a party, but now they are removing India as a party and betraying the global trade norms. So we'll see what India can do in WTO and the multilateral forums. As we know that India is the third largest buyer of oil. Now India is moving towards the second largest buyer of oil when US is downgrading. So the importance of India is the international relation as well as the economic benefits that India has given to Iran continuously, that will go in the vein, and that will impact the strategic relationship between these two countries by just having China in the picture and having some economic benefit from them. So we'll see in the future what will the course of time and the strategic importance between India and Tehran, how it is shaping day by day. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching it.